In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check where your order has reached on Amazon, whether it's a much anticipated gadget or a gift for a loved one. Knowing exactly where your package is can bring great peace of mind. So let's dive in and make sure you can easily track your orders each time you shop. First things first, let's open up Amazon. You'll want to locate the Amazon app on your device, which you can identify by its familiar logo set against a clean white background. Now, if you find yourself not logged into your Amazon account, don't worry. In the top left corner of your screen, you'll see the menu button represented by three horizontal lines, often referred to as a hamburger icon. Give that a tap. You'll see the option to sign in, where you'll need to enter your Amazon email address and password. These are the credentials you use to make purchases and browse the platform. Once you're signed in, we can move forward. Now, with access to all of the app's features, including your account details, go ahead and tap that same menu icon, the one in the top left corner that we just used to sign in. Once tapped, you'll notice a pop-out menu appearing on your screen. From this menu, you need to look for an option labeled Your Orders. It's here that Amazon keeps a list of all your recent and previous orders, giving you full control over checking the specifics. Next, you're going to tap on Your Orders. This will take you to a comprehensive list detailing all the items you've ordered. These are sorted by date, allowing you to easily look through your past purchases. Here's a tip. If the list is long, don't hesitate to scroll down until you find the order you're interested in tracking. Take your time so you can ensure you're looking at the correct order. Once you've found the order you want to track, go ahead and tap on it. What you'll see will be a dedicated page for that particular purchase, filled with all the essential tracking information you need. Here, not only will you be able to learn the order's current location, but you will also see the journey it has taken so far. The app often lists up the city and state, along with any previous shipping locations it has visited, and there you have it. Now, you should have a much better understanding of where exactly your package is in the delivery process. Remember, the Amazon app makes it easy to keep track of your orders, so whenever you're anxiously waiting for something you've ordered, just refer back to these simple steps. Thank you for watching, and happy tracking!